Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Lindsay with Laser Cut Quilts. Today we're going to show you how to put together this cactus with this cute lettering on here stuck on quilting. And this is a laser cut quilt and it's backed with flexi views. So let's get started. Alright, so to start out here we have our layout guide and we have pulled out all of our pieces here. Some of them are already cut, as you can see, and we're not going to have to snip them out. So you're going to want to make sure you have a pair of scissors that are going to be small enough to snip these out. And these are our laser cut pieces and they're all backed with flexi fuse right here, our lightweight fusible, and all the instructions on the back, and we're just going to follow them right along here. And the tracing and cutting is already done for us because these are laser cut pieces. So we are going to go ahead and just snip all of these little pieces out. So we've finished snipping out all the little pieces and we can go ahead and move on to our next step. Now if you are doing this project at home by hand and you are not using the laser cut pieces and you're using the pattern, to trace this flexi fuse, you're just going to trace it on the paper side, which is the smooth side. The glue will be the rough side. You can see that here, this is the smooth, the paper side. This rough side, the bumpy side, is the glue. So you'll trace your pieces using your pattern onto this side, and you can use whatever marking tool you like, whether it's a pencil or a marker. A marker isn't going to bleed through. You could even use a fine tip Sharpie and it won't bleed through either. So we're gonna go ahead and move this over to our light box, and we'll put our background fabric down, and we're going to just peel the flexi fuse off the back of these and lay all of our pieces down. All right, so we've moved over to this light box here. And eventually we're going to iron down on top of this, so just make sure that you can iron down on top of your light box so you're not going to ruin it. So here we have our background fabric, and to center it on our layout guide, I'm going to fold it in half this way. And then fold it in half the opposite way. And if you want to, you can iron these out and you'll just have that nice little crease there, but it's up to you. And you're gonna stick it in this top quadrant here, and we're just going to unfold it. And then once we've done that, we're going to take our pins and we're going to pin all four corners. This way, we won't have to worry about our fabric moving from our layout guide. Okay, so now we are going to take our laser cut pieces here. We're going to lay them all out. So we're going to start by peeling off this paper backing of flexi fuse, and you'll see here that the flexi fuse is bonded to it, and we're just going to go ahead and lay them all out. here for us is to iron this down. So just make sure that your iron is on a cotton setting, no steam. We're gonna press and hold on each piece for 5 to 8 seconds.